How often should you treat septic tanks for solid buildup? Septic tanks quietly manage household waste, but without proper care, they become a costly hazard. One of the most common causes of failure is solid buildup, waste that accumulates at the bottom of the tank and reduces its efficiency. Treating this buildup regularly is essential to ensure the system runs smoothly. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's the guide to how often you should treat septic tanks for solid waste accumulation. 1. Basic rule: pump every 3 to 5 years. Most homes need a professional pump out every 3 to 5 years. This removes solid sludge that no treatment can dissolve. Larger families or smaller tanks may need more frequent pumping. 2. Monthly biological treatments help. Using monthly enzyme or bacteria treatments can reduce how fast solids build up. These additives break down organic waste and support healthy tank bacteria. They don't replace pumping but can delay the need. 3. Annual inspection is a must. Have your septic system inspected once a year. A professional can measure sludge levels, check for leaks, and advise on when to treat or pump. Don't rely on guesswork. 4. High usage requires more frequent treatment. Homes with garbage disposals, many residents, or heavy water use produce more waste. These tanks may need treatment every 1 to 2 years and more frequent biological dosing. 5. Signs you're overdue for treatment: look out for these red flags: gurgling sounds from drains, foul odors around the tank or yard, water pooling near the drain field, sluggish drains or frequent backups. If you notice these, your system needs immediate attention. 6. Don't skip maintenance. Regular treatment helps avoid system failure, costly repairs, and environmental damage. Combine monthly treatments, yearly inspections, and 3 to 5 year pump outs for optimal care. Solid buildup is inevitable, but manageable. Treat your septic tank monthly with biological agents, inspect it annually, and pump it every few years. A little prevention goes a long way toward keeping your system efficient and odor-free. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.